The creation of the European health data space for secondary use and its health data at EU infrastructure requires the collaboration of a series of stakeholders, including health data access bodies from all the EU member states and the Commission. The development of governance and procedures for health data at EU is critical to ensure that organizational structures, processes, and artifacts meet the required quality and security standards and achieve the infrastructure's objectives. Robust governance and reliable procedures are essential to foster citizens' trust and stakeholder engagement. This governance aims to guarantee the seamless operation of the health data at EU infrastructure and contribute to the most efficient and secure use of health data. 5 principles shape the governance framework: accountability, security, data privacy, public interest, and transparency. These 5 principles ensure effective governance for the health data at EU infrastructure. The governance is organized in 4 layers: policy, strategic, operational, and technical. Let's discover the purpose of each layer, its key roles and responsibilities. The policy layer holds a strategic planning role and engages various stakeholders of health data at EU. The policy layer is composed of the EHDS board and the stakeholder forum. The EHDS board's main mission is to facilitate cooperation at the union level and foster the exchange of information among member states and the Commission. The stakeholder forum allows a wide range of stakeholders such as health data holders, health data users, citizens, and patients to provide their views and input. The strategic layer exercises steering powers on the health data at EU. The main actors of this layer are the European Commission and the Steering Group for the Secondary Use of Health Data. Stakeholders in the strategic layer make decisions regarding medium and long-term plans for health data at EU. They set the direction for service development, manage infrastructure changes, and implement standards for compatibility with other systems. The operational layer makes decisions in the context of day-to-day operations in the member states. The main actors of this layer are the health data access bodies. They manage the daily functions of health data at EU, ensuring that data discovery, access, sharing, and usage comply with set standards. The technical layer ensures that the different components and services of the infrastructure abide by health data at EU governance principles. The main actors of this layer are the health data at EU Central Platform and Services, which are operated by the Commission, who is responsible for the technical implementation of the infrastructure, its standards, and specifications. We will now introduce 2 key procedures that facilitate cross-border cooperation. Handling multi-country data access applications. When a data user identifies datasets belonging to different health data access bodies in different member states, the user needs to submit a common data access application that will be distributed to the different health data access bodies identified. Handling multi-country secure processing environments. When a data user requests access to health data from more than one member state, the health data access bodies may request the European Commission to provide a secure processing environment where to process the data from multiple countries. Let's build it together and for everyone. For more information on the governance framework and procedures presented, please explore the technical documentation and the procedure videos.